I put shaving cream on my glasses and look what happened. In this video, I will teach you a trick that many people are talking about. Did you know that the shaving cream that men usually use can help us with many other things? Incredible, but true. And one of the uses that can be given to shaving cream is by applying it to glasses and glasses. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so that you are the first to receive our tips. But before I tell you what problem is solved with shaving cream, I will give you some other uses that you may not know and that I am sure will be very useful to you. I would also like to know from which country you are watching me so I can give you a shout out in my next videos. Now we go with the tricks with shaving cream. Number 1. Clean stained or burned pans. This pot I have is not so dirty. But if you have one that is, you just have to spray a little shaving cream and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Then when removing with water, you will notice that it will be very clean and shiny. Number 2. Remove paint marks. After painting, there are often traces of paint on the hands, arms, and other parts of the body. Just place shaving cream where you have paint, then rub a little and the paint will go away easily. Number 3. Give shine to stainless steel. When it comes to stainless steel surfaces, they tend to be opaque and dirty when cleaned with common detergent. Shaving foam is an excellent alternative that gives a lot of shine. You can use it in the sink, microwave, or any other stainless steel surface, and it will be shiny. Number 4. Remove noise from doors. It is quite annoying when the door has sounds, especially at night when everyone at home is sleeping and you have to get up to the bathroom or to drink water. This can be solved thanks to shaving foam. Simply spread the shingles with it. After that, you just have to remove the excess with a towel and you will be free of annoying sounds. Number 5. Clean jewelry. If you have metal pieces and jewelry such as watches and other accessories, and they no longer look as beautiful as before, you can shine again using shaving foam. You just have to take a container and dip the jewelry in shaving foam. Let stand from 20 to 30 minutes and they will be shiny and renewed. If they are very dirty and you don't want to wait, you can use a brush to clean them faster. Number 6. Clean the carpet. Shaving foam has an equally good cleaning effect on a carpet. To do this, apply shaving foam on the carpet and then let it act for a little over 4 hours. Then take a towel to spread the foam over the fibers so that it covers the entire dirty area. It is better to let it act overnight. After that, take a brush like this and rub it over the dirty area until it comes out completely. Once you do this, let it dry. And we come to our star trick. This is for the glasses. As you probably know, glasses tend to fog up while you have the mask on or when you go from a cold environment to a warm one or vice versa. Shaving foam will help create a protective layer that gives the glass shine while it protects it from fogging up. To do this, you have to take a little shaving foam. With the help of a common glasses cleaning cloth, put just a small drop of shaving foam and now clean your glasses. Do it with confidence, as it does not scratch the glasses. On the contrary, it also helps to blur the scratches. You must previously wash the glasses so that they do not get stained with dust particles. After that, the glasses should no longer be fogged up or dirty. It will give it a mirror look that I'm sure you'll love. Which of these tricks did you think was the coolest? If you found them interesting, make them reach someone who could be of help. Today's special greeting is for Katrina de Jong from South Africa and for Deanna Burris from Arkansas. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive some special tips, let me know below. I'm always reading your suggestions. Do these tricks at home and then come back here and let me know how they turned out. That's today's video. I say goodbye wishing you the richest blessings.